How to copy and paste from Excel column to Monday.com. Still typing Excel data into Monday one row at a time. This year, that's a waste of your technical talent. Whether you're moving a simple to-do list or a complex client database, you can bridge the gap between your spreadsheet and your board in seconds. Today, I'm showing you the bulk paste method for quick lists and the import mapper for full-scale migrations. So if you just have a list of names or tasks, you can just go to Excel. Let us just open this template here, for example, and then you can just highlight the column and hit Control-C. So for example, I will choose this housing and mortgage and just Control-C. There you go. When you copy it, as you can see, there's this outline, moving outline, and then you go back into our Monday. Then in the very bottom of your group, let's say create a group, add an order, for example, right? And there you go, we successfully pasted them. As you can see, update multiple items at once, select multiple items to update column value, edit or move them in single click. Guaranteed time saver. As you can see, 2 of them pasted. So we have the priority, status, all of this stuff is working as intended in, for example, my print shop production template. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the keyboard shortcut. So it's Control-C to copy from here, and then Control-V to insert in our group. And also don't forget that this only works for the item name column. If you try to paste across multiple columns, it won't align correctly. For that, we need the next method. So if you need to move dates, status, and emails all at once, so you need to click the arrow next to the new item button and select import items. So you can just go plus also, then choose import data and choose Excel/CSV. And then you just drag it and drop it here. Let me actually do that. So you go here, then you go share, and sorry, not there, you go file, export, and then let's choose CSV like that. All right, I just saved that to the desktop, and now let us choose it. There you go. Yay, your data is here. So let's customize your new board. Okay. What is your first row? This one, next. Okay. As you can see, all the fields are here. Creates a board. So it takes the CSV as a base and creates a new board with it. As you can see, just certain fields will have to be renamed and adjusted. And this makes sure that your data is exactly where it belongs. If this guide helped you clear your spreadsheet backlog, smash like and subscribe.